back, my lovely students. Today we'll be looking at this is your instructor Obinwa Chukwugozie. We will also continue with the 2015 Igbo L2 past question. Just relax and learn. Please, before we start, please do well and subscribe to this channel. And if you have subscribed, click on that bell icon, so anytime you release new video, you will get a notification. Thank you very much. Okay, let's kickstart. Let's do Mkparịta, which is discussion or drama. It's between Oriakụ Uche and Oriakụ Uzoma. Oriakụ means Mrs. Oriakụ means Mrs. That's how people call it. Oriakụ means Mrs. Mrs. Uche and Mrs. Uzoma. Now let's start. Oriakụ Uche. Nne Chisom ị bịara ụlọ ụka? He asks, Mama Chisom, did you come to the church? Now Oriakụ Uzoma now respond, Nne Adakụ, ị bọọla chi? She said, yes. Adaku's mother, have you, or you say good morning, which is Ibolachi means good morning. Oriakụ Uche now said, the third one, Oriakụ Uche said, nwanne m, kedu ka di gị na ụmụ gị dị? She now answered and said, yes, so how is your husband and your wife? And that is the question she threw there. And the next one say, Oriakụ Uzoma, ha dị mma, kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? She now answered and said, yes, my wife, my husband and my children are okay. But what of you? How is your family? She now responded, Oriakụ Uche now said, ha dịcha mma, abịara m n'ụlọ gị ụbọchị Saturday, ị nọghị ya? She said, yes, they are fine. I was in your house last Saturday, on Saturday, but you were not around. Now Oriakụ Uzoma now say, agara m ahịa ịzụta krisi. She said, yes, so I went to the market that time to buy krisi. I don't know what krisi is, what English people call krisi. Oh, we know, I know it in Igbo, krisi. One they use either cooking food or so. Okay. Okay, he said, yes, I went to the market to buy krisi. Then Oriakụ Uche now say, gịnị mere nke mbụ? He now asked me, I say, what happened to the first one? Now Oriakụ Uzoma now responded, mmanụ nri metụrụ ya. Okay, it's not what they used to cook for self. Okay, he said that red oil, mmanụ nri in Igbo means red oil. Mmanụ nri metụrụ ya. Metụrụ ya means touched it. So mmanụ nri touched it. Red oil or oil they used to cook food touched it. Right. Then Oriakụ Uche now said, ego ole ka ị zụrụ nke ọhụrụ? He now asked, I say, how much did you buy this new one? He now responded, Oriakụ Uzoma now responded, I say, azụrụ m ya otu narị naira. That is, he said he bought it 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Then he now responded and said, Oriakụ Uche now said, ọnụ ahịa ya dị mma, biko kedu ihe ụkọchukwu sịrị anyị weta ma anyị kpechaa ekpere? Oriakụ Uche now said, the price is okay, the price is wonderful, but please, what did the pastor or the reverend told us to get when we are through? Now ask that question. Then Oriakụ Uzoma now responded, ọ sịrị anyị weta akwa unere osikapa na ji. He said that they should bring anyị weta akwa. They should bring akwa. The aqua, which is egg, unere, which is banana or plantain, then rice, it could be bag of rice or any kind of rice, and yam, which is G means what? Yam. Then Oriakụ finally Oriakụ Uche now responded and say, ọ dị mma ka emesịa. He say, now so I say, it's okay, we'll see later. Ka emesịa means we'll see later or later. Okay, so let's look at the answers there. Let's look at the answers which look at the answers there. Number one question said, kedu aha nwa Oriakụ Uche? A. Adaku, B. Chisom, C. Oriakụ, D. Uche, E. Uzoma. Now, what did they say? Oriakụ Uche. The name of the Oriakụ Uche's child is what? Look at Nne Chisom. So the name is what? Chisom. Is Chisom there? Chisom. B. The answer is what? B. Now look at number 2, which is kedu ebe ha nọ kparịa ụka? Where did they make the discussion or this interaction? That's number 12. Then please, that number 11, kedu aha nwa Oriakụ Uche, means what is the name of Mrs. Uche's child? I've given you the name, which is Chisom. And number 12, which is kedu ebe ha nọ kparịa ụka? Where did they make this discussion? That was what that one mean. Okay, so we'll go further to continue from that number 12. From that number 12. Okay, where did they make the discussion? Okay, where did they make this? He said A is ahia, which is market. B is ụgbọala, which is car. C is ụlọ Oriakụ Uche. D is ụlọ means house. Ụlọ Oriakụ Uzoma. E means ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka. Okay, where did they did that discussion? It's in the church now. They made that discussion in the church. In the church, because it's in the church. It's in the church. Because when you read that Oriakụ Uche, Nne Chisom ịbịara ụlọ ụka. So that is where they made the discussion. Then number 13, you see, kedu ụbọchị Oriakụ Uche gara n'ụlọ Oriakụ Uzoma? Ụbọchị. Say, when did Mrs. Uche went to the house of Mrs. Uzoma? A means Eke, B means A is Eke, B is Monday, C is Orie, D is Saturday, E is Uka. The answer is D, which is Saturday. Now, number 14, kedu aha nwa Oriakụ Uzoma? What is the name of Mrs. Uzoma's child? What is the name of Mrs. Uzoma's child? Okay, A is 13. A is Eke. 14. A is Adaku. B is Chisom. C is Oriako. D is Uche. E is Uzoma. Okay, the answer is A, which is Adaku. So you read it here. You say Oriako Uzoma. Nne Adaku. So the name is what? Adaku. Then we'll look at number 15. Kedu ebe Oriakụ Uzoma gara? Okay. A is ahịa, B is ọdụ ụgbọala, C is ụlọ akụ, D is ụlọ ụka. Okay. Kedu ebe Oriakụ Uzoma gara? Let's check it. Oriakụ Uzoma. Okay, kedu maka ha dịcha agara m ahịa ịzụta kirisi. What is the question number 15? Kedu ebe Oriakụ Uzoma gara? Okay, she went to the market. So the answer is, which is number what? Number 15. A. The answer is A, which is what? Ahia. She went to the market to buy that kirisi. To buy that kirisi. Then number 16. Ego ole ka Oriakụ Uzoma zụrụ kirisi a? How much did she bought? Oriakụ Uzoma, that is Mrs. Uzoma, bought the kirisi. How much? This is number 16. A is narị iri. 10 is narị iri ise. A is narị iri. B is narị iri ise. C is otu narị naira. D is narị naira abụọ. E is narị naira abụọ na ise. The answer is C, which is otu narị naira. Okay, let's look at number 17. Gịnị mere kirisi nke mbụ ọ zụrụ? What happened to the first kirisi that she bought? That is the question there, which is number 17. A. Mmanụ isi metụrụ ya. B. Mmanụ nri metụrụ ya. C. Mmiri akị wụrụ ya. D. Mmiri wụrụ ya. E. Ngụ wụrụ ya. The answer to that number 17 is B, which is mmanụ nri metụrụ ya. That is the answer. Then number 18 is ole nke esoghị n'ihe ụkọchukwu sịrị ha weta? In this list that they gave you there, in that option, which one is not part of the things that the priest or the pastor told them to bring? A is akara, B is akwa, which is egg, C is ji, D is osikapa, E is unere. The answer to that number 18 is A, which is akara. Then number 19, kedu ihe ha gara ime n'ụlọ ụka? What did they go to the church to do? A. Ihicha ụlọ ụka. B. Ikpe ekpere. C. Iri nri. D. Ịsa efere. E. Iwu ụlọ. Okay? That number 19. What did they get to the church to do? Ọnụ ha dị. Okay. So ị bịara ụlọ ụka? Okay. Jesus Christ, what sort of nonsense is this?